Welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody is having a blessed day today. So today we're going to be doing a lock talk video, and we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of having locks and shave sides. Actually, there's not a lot. If you're just creative and let your creativity flow when it comes to your hair, then there's not as many cons. But if you're someone who's just not hair savvy, then there may be a lot of cons when it comes to rocking locks and shave sides. Even though the style is super cute, you're not someone that like doing your hair and always got to go to the salon, then maybe having locks and shave sides is not for you. But if you just got money like that to go to the salon, or you know how to get in the bathroom and kind of play with your own hair, then having locks and shave sides might be your thing. So I got a little list right here, and it's not a lot. I just got this list for guys. So first we're gonna talk about the pros. So first, locks and shave sides are dope. It's super dope style. It's super edgy. I don't know, y'all, it's just super cute. It just give you that, especially if you didn't have locks for a long time and you kind of get bored with your locks, then maybe shaving a side or two or doing a whole undercut. It's gonna give you that edge. Make sure you save your locks just in case you decide you want to reattach. Another pro for me is it's less hair to deal with. You don't have a lot of hair you have to deal with. I know when I had like I can definitely tell a difference when I had my first set of locks versus my set now. It takes me way less time to do my hair, like way less time. And I actually like that because I don't like dealing with my hair all the time, and I don't go to the salon, and I have two girls' heads I have to do. So I like having less hair on my head, especially I like having lesser hair too, because I got a small head. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just have a small head. Sometimes I feel like a whole bunch of hair don't look right on me, and like shorter hair or some type of cut or something like that just give me that edge I want as far as like my head shape and my face and everything. The pro that I think is playing with styles. Now I'm not gonna lie, before I put these braids in, I didn't really play with a lot of styles because my locks are still in the short phase. So it's only a few styles that I can do with my short locks. So you can get bored with it real quick, or you can get tired of it. But since I have put my braids in and having shave sides and the whole undercut, because my shave go all the way around, I definitely decided that I want my locks to be long because of there's so many different styles that I can play with. So right now I just have like a little like top up and back down, and it's still cute. And even if I don't want to like show my shave sides, I can just wear a part down the middle and wear it, and you can't even tell I got shave sides. Like, those are for the days when like I need a haircut. But if I got a haircut, boo, let me tell you, I'm showing these shave sides because I just love it so much. I would definitely say the styles are just more funkier. They're just more fun when it comes to having locks and shave sides. Another pro for me is I feel like you get the best of both worlds. Like, you get to get haircuts and you also get to experience products and styles and hair. Those are all my pros. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of pros or cons, but those are just my pros when it comes to having locks and shave sides. The cons of having locks and shave sides, I'm gonna say styles. Now, the only reason I'm gonna say styles is because if you are dealing with like shorter hair and shave sides, it's not a lot that you can do unless you do some attaching like braids or like unless you put some extensions in, or you know, some weave. Then you get to kind of experience with the you don't have to do as long as I did. You can even like go this length, but I feel like if you have longer hair, then having shave sides is more fun. If you only have short hair, then you do have to kind of just get creative. You can maybe try some updos, some curls. That's my next thing, y'all. Like, I really want to try some curls with my locks and shave sides, but that's a whole nother video. and you know, you guys will be the first to see when I do that. But if you have longer hair, then you can be more creative with styles. But if you don't, then you just gotta pick your little favorite styles and just, you know, keep it moving. So that is one of the cons that I have. Another con that I have is your shave size will grow out fast. I personally have a barber who is my husband, so you know, I get to get a haircut whenever I want to. But if you don't have that, or you don't know how to do it yourself, then you have to go to a barbershop, and that can get a little pricey. Getting a haircut all the time, you know, that can get pricey, especially if you like a every 2 weeks type person. I'll let my hair grow out crazy, and my husband be like, Kiara, when we gonna cut your hair, because you need a haircut. So that is a con for me. Like, if you gotta go to the barbershop all the time or can't get a haircut when you want to, that can be a con. Another con is even going to the barbershop, because you got some barbers, unless you just got a barber that you've been going to forever, or you got a barber that really care about, you know, cutting hair properly. But you will run into some barbers who will like cut into your locks, and that'll cause your locks to thin out and break off over time. If you are going to the barber, make sure they're not cutting into your locks. So maybe before you go ahead and put your hair up in like a bun. Make sure you kind of got it tight, or some bobby pins on the side, so they can make sure not to cut into your locks, because that can be a con if it's causing your hair to break off in the long run. Last con I would say is one day you might want to grow your hair back, and if your locks have floors, then that could be an issue. Now let me say this, if your hair is like this long and you got shave size, you can always go into like cutting your lock and then reattach that way. Therefore your hair be all the same length. Or you can get lock extensions, or if you had a full set of locks and you cut them off, make sure you save them. If you ever want to reattach, you can reattach. But if you don't have a set of locks to reattach, like myself, then you know, that can be an issue in the future if you ever decide you want a head full of locks. That can be a con too. But I didn't really have a lot of pros and cons when it comes to having locks and shave size. I can say, like, in my really early stages, I was more self-conscious when it came to my hair, because my hair was super short at the top and I had shaved sides. So if I wasn't having a good hair day, like, I was ready to put a hat on my head or a scarf or something like that. But as they mature, like, you can easily change that bad hair day into like a braid out or something like that. So that's like my go-to style. If my hair looking a mess, I'll just do a quick braid out, and then boom, it's looking like my hair hasn't been done. The shave size thing, you just kind of, honestly, I feel like you'll get used to it. You won't feel like you need to have a haircut all the time. Those are my pros and cons when it comes to having locks and shave sides. If you guys have any pros or any cons, make sure you drop a comment down below. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching the video. Peace.